Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today we are going to paint. I will teach you how to do a painting. We are going to paint it a sunset view. Take it your red color. Take it your flat brush. We are going to make it sunset view. Take it red color. Make a strip, fill inside, red color, go it down with a chrome yellow color, take a chrome yellow color, mix up inside, pull down side, with a chrome yellow color till half page. Use little bit water to extend it. Here my half paper is done. Now I am going to take it again red color to make it strip. Make it straight line. Again take it deep yellow color to mix up inside. Mix up till down by using water. Wait for a few minutes. Wait for a drying. Now I'm going to take it again red color to show the sun and the sky. Take your red color in a flat brush. If you are fine with round brush, it is also fine. One red color half arc. Make it half arc red color. Take it deep yellow color. Mix up with deep yellow color. So at the one edge you will get it a dark tone. At other edge you will get it a light tone. Here you will get it a light tone. Here you will get it a dark tone. Now take it black color. Make it a land. Take it brown color. Blend up brown color with the color of black. Now I am taking a brown color and I am going to blend it downside. This is my land done. If you want to make it land far away, yes, you can make it one more land by using dark brown color. If you want to make it more land far away, one more land there. Here I made it 3 lines. Now I am going to make it a coconut tree. Take it your detailing brush, thin brush, one curve going upside. At a downside you need to make it thick, and slowly it turns into thin. Now I am going to make it coconut leaves. One curve, two curve, three curve, four curve, 5 and 6 straight. Now few strokes inside. Thin strokes coming downside. At this corner you have to make it curve. At the same position, same, if curve goes to this position, you have to make it curve in the same position. Few strokes at upper point. Now same thing on opposite side. If it goes slanting, stroke should be also going slanting towards upside, both the direction. Same thing in last one. Here my coconut tree is ready. One tree far away, small tree, few strokes inside. Here my far one tree is ready. If you want to show a small house far away, you can show a small house there by using a black color. If you want to show a man, circle shape, oval shape, and a straight line, dark line to show the leg, hand at the side, few grasses on the land with a detailing brush. Here my grass is done. Now I'm going to take it red color to show the water lines which is like shining in the sun. Take a detailing brush. Few lines for showing the water line. Slowly here my water line is done. Now I am going to black color for making one small boat. Here is my small boat. One man is sitting inside. Few small tiny birds flying in air. This my drawing is done. This is also called as a landscape. Enjoy your drawing with the poster colors by some techniques. Take care.